In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove photos from your Google Business Profile. Managing your Google Business Profile effectively is crucial for maintaining your business's online reputation. Your profile is the first thing many of your potential customers will see, and it's important that it reflects accurately on your business. That includes making sure that all the photos associated with your profile are current and give the right impression. Let's start by navigating to the Google Business Profile. You'll want to make sure you're signed in with the Google account associated with your business. Once you're signed in, locate and click on your business profile. It's a simple step that brings you closer to managing your profile's visual representation. The next step involves accessing the Photos section of your profile. Here you'll find all the images currently attached to your business profile. This could include photos you've uploaded yourself or those uploaded by customers. It's a good idea to periodically review these photos to ensure they still represent your business appropriately. When browsing through the photos, you might find some that are outdated, no longer relevant, or perhaps don't showcase your business in the best light. To remove any such photo, simply click on the trash can icon associated with that specific image. It's a straightforward process, but remember, once a photo is removed, it can't be reinstated directly. You'll need to upload it again if you change your mind. It's also worth noting that managing your business photos isn't just about removal. Consider adding new high-quality images regularly to keep your profile fresh and engaging. Photos of your products, services, or your storefront can significantly influence potential customers' perceptions and decisions. In conclusion, keeping your Google Business Profile's photo gallery up to date is an ongoing task, but one that's vital for your business's online presence. Regularly review your photos, remove those that no longer serve their purpose, and always be on the lookout for new images that accurately represent your business. That's all for this tutorial. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to having a more polished and effective Google Business Profile. Remember, your online presence is often the first impression you make on potential customers, so make it count. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.